the 30-day English speaking challenge, and this challenge will be change your entire English journey. This learning English journey is a very important, and this 30-day challenge is a very important for you. So please accept it, this challenge, and acquire a lot of the knowledge and gain your fluency. So first of all, what about this challenge? What is this challenge, and what have in this challenge? So first of all, this challenge is a first step, is a approximately 1 or 2 hour practice daily listening and thinking. Because without listening, without thinking, learn any language, this is a very difficult, because listening build your communication skill, like a practice listening build your vocabularies, pronunciation, how to pronounce the word, and how to intense and how to effect the English speaking. Okay, this is a very effective for English speaking. Listening is a, you can learn, you can listen anything, like a podcast, movie, drama, cartoon, and anything like a song. So please, approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes, and maybe sometimes 2 hour, try to listen anything which have you exist here. Okay, you can try to listen anything, because anything like a podcast make you perfect to how to ask the question, how to say good morning, how to say like a WhatsApp. So many things you have to learn through of the listening. And then try to listen any language. Listening is a not just for the important for the English speaking, but also the English, the listening is a more important for learn any language. Okay, so listening make you better to learn any language, because you listen, then you become a capable to speak any language, because you are continuously, you are keep it up, you are listen anything, then your mind comes the fluency. What is the fluency, what is the frequency about the speaking? So please try to listen and accept it challenge. Okay, so listening and thinking, thinking is the most important as well as listening, because when you listen anything, maybe any topic you have listened, so then try to think in English, like Shahrukh Khan told that for the become a successful man, this four things is very important, like dedications, consistency, focus, discipline. This is a very important. You can run in your mind this kind of the way, and in such a way you can easily learn any language, not only the English language. Okay, so this is a very important for learn any language. Listen and think. And second is a try to speak language, and you can learn any language. Try to speak, like try to speak language and create an environment like English speaking. Like when you go your peer up groups, your friend circle groups, then you can say them that please friends, uh, we are try to speak English language a little bit, not very advanced level, a little bit a beginning level, we are try to speak this language. And then your friend agree with you that anybody want to speak this language, that's why your friend also accept this challenge. Okay, so please try to create an environment like English speaking, and try to speak this language, like mirror practice and shadowing practice. This two things is a very important for English learning. This two thing is very important for English learning, that without any partner you are become a capable to learn this language. Mirror practice and shadowing practice. So first is the mirror practice, is the stand up in the front of the mirror and look at one time to you, and told you and tell you that, and talk yourself that I'm beginner, I'm English learner, I'm learning this language, and I learn all of the things in English speaking. So many things you want to say, you say that in the front of the camera with your oneself. Okay, so this is a very important. And second is a shadowing practice. Shadowing practice is a, like, if you have watched this video, if you have watched this video, and as well as watching this video, you can try to speak with me. Like, I can speak English language, so you are try to, the rhythm is like me. As I speak English language, you can try to speak with me, together me. Okay, so this is a very important. And third is a, try to listen and carefully, listen is a very important, and absorb, try to absorb the English speaking. When you absorb anything, like you are going to the college and school, then your ma'am said that Karan, you are very handsome. So absorb, like Karan, you are very handsome. It means in this sentence, if you don't know about the Hindi meaning, but try to absorb and feel the English language, like a feel English language. When you feel the English, then English become for you very easy. That I say that I'm very impressive. So I know that if anyone persons don't know about the English language, and he doesn't know about the English language, but I'm say I'm impressive. So my face expressions, my body language, my eye contact, I may, and my all about my body language, so my frequency, my language. No matter that anyone persons want know about this language or not, no matter, doesn't matter this. But you can try to impressive. You can try to look and speak impressive. Like when you speak, then try to, like a word of the, use the word of the contraction words. This is very important for go to the advanced level English learner. This is a very important. Like I say I want to go, and again I say I wanna go. So this is the difference between this contraction word. I say I will go, and I say I'll go. So this is a contraction word, and you can easily learn this contraction word, and then you are look natural and a native speaker. So this is very important. And fourth is a create an environment like a English speaking. You are a go to the anywhere, you try to speak this language, think in English language, and maybe every time you can listen the English podcast, English movies, English songs, and then your English is going on very good. Okay, so this thing is a very important for every beginner, every English learner. And this 30 days is a very important. And as well as you can do that, read the newspaper, the novel in English, and try to aloud, like a read aloud, try to read aloud, very goodness and very gladness, with a very gladness, you, when you try to speak this language, and when you read the language, then your fluency, your tongue is a roll, and then your tongue is make the perfect to speak this language. Okay, thank you for, I'll meet again next video. So if you watch the till the end, so please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.